Hello, students. As you know, your winter vacation has started now. You all are free from school activities, but the learning process is going on. Here we are with the syllabus of your winter vacation. In this, you have to prepare your periodic test syllabus as well, because after completing your vacation, there is a periodic test too in the month of Feb. So be prepared for that. In your holidays homework of English, first is learn any three poem from your book. It should be from your textbook. Okay, अपनी textbook का ही आपको 3 poem अच्छे से learn करना है. Then learn all work done in your notebook. जो भी अब तक आपने काम किया है उसको अच्छे से learn करना है, because after completing your vacation you are going to appear for your periodic test. Read any story book from wherever you want and answer the following questions. You have to answer these questions based on that story. So the story book can be your textbook, story book can be your brother sister's book as well. So from wherever you want, you just read any story and just answer these questions. Title of the story, what is the name of that story? Who is your favorite character of in that story and why? What have you learned from that story? What is the moral of the story? And the last, change the end of the story and recreate new ending. Use your imagination to recreate new ending. मतलब उस कहानी का जो end हुआ है उसको नया end देना है with your imaginative skill. And one picture should be drawn. Okay, आपको एक picture भी draw करना है related to that story. तो थर्ड आपका क्लियर हो गया. नेक्स्ट एंड फोर्थ, डिक्शनरी स्किल. पिकअप अ डिक्शनरी. आपको एक डिक्शनरी उठानी है कहीं से भी, कोई से भी. लुक फॉर वर्ड्स स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट टू लेटर्स ऑफ योर नेम. सपोज माई नेम इज जागृति, आई एम यूजिंग फर्स्ट टू लेटर्स, दैट इज JA. ठीक है, JA मैंने यूज किया. सो आई हैव टू चूज 8 वर्ड्स स्टार्टिंग विद JA. सो आपको भी अपने नाम के फर्स्ट 2 लेटर्स देखने हैं और उनसे 2 लेटर्स आपके कौन से हैं और उनसे 8 वर्ड आपको एक पेपर पे लिख लेने हैं. देन यूज योर इमेजिनेशन एंड क्रिएट अ पिक्चर्स क्यू रिप्रेजेंटेशन. जो काम आपको करना है, आपको एक पिक्चर्स क्यू रिप्रेजेंटेशन बनानी है जिसमें आप उन्हीं पिक्चर्स में, उन्हीं वर्ड्स में क्या लिंकिंग सेट कर सकते हो विद योर इमेजिनेशन. ये आपका है, आप सभी क्रिएटिव हैं. यूज योर क्रिएटिव स्किल, इमेजिनेटिव स्किल फॉर दिस वर्क एंड उसको अच्छे से ड्रॉ करना है या पेस्ट करना है. इट्स ऑल अप टू यू. वट एवर यू जस्ट वॉन्ट, you want to draw, just go for it. If you want to paste the pictures of those 8 words, you can collect pictures and paste in your scrapbook. Next, read newspaper and underline 5 difficult words daily and find their meanings to make your own dictionary. आप अपनी डिक्शनरी भी बना सकते हो which is easy to carry. छोटी सी डिक्शनरी बना सकते हो with colorful pages or you can go for the white pages. और अगर आपका एक्सेस नहीं है, आपको नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो I just want a work so that you can learn 5 difficult word daily. So आप ये काम सेम स्क्रैप बुक में जो आपने ऊपर के कामों में यूज किया है, आप उसमें भी यही डिक्शनरी के 5 difficult words daily लिख सकते हैं. I just want your work. Difficult word should be difficult. It should not like you just completing this work for the sake because the ma'am has given you. So you have to select those words, those meanings you are not aware about. Okay, the word should be difficult and find the meaning and write in your dictionary. Write any one poem and draw picture based on it. It should be done on a chart paper, or you just go for the carded sheet, or I just suggest you that it should look nice so that I can give you subject enrichment marks based on that. Okay, so just do this work carefully. Question number 3, 4, 5 should be done in scrapbook as it is already cleared. Do 1 page handwriting daily in a separate notebook. Clear? Separate notebook बनानी है. Last but not the least, use Bolo app for reading. As I have already asked you to install this app from the Play Store. Okay, so you have to go for 15 minutes reading and record your scores daily. आपका आज का क्या स्कोर है and write that score on your handwriting notebook. Okay, at the top of your handwriting. Suppose you have done handwriting today, so and you have used Bolo app for reading as well. So whatever the score you have scored, just write that score on the top of your handwriting of that particular day. Okay, so after completing your vacation, your periodic tests are going to be, so just prepare it well. The syllabus of periodic test 2 is chapter 1 class discussion, the talkative barber, topsy-turvy land, unit 7 Gulliver's travel, then nobody's friend and the little bully. All this work should be sent by the video in a PDF format. So you can, if you're not completed your work, you just complete it. In reading portion, answered passage. In writing portion, paragraph writing and story writing. Reader, which we have already discussed, unit 6, 7 and 8. In grammar, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, prepositions and punctuation. All these exercises are coming. Vocabulary portion, spelling correction, jumble words, rhyming words, word formation, like from the word wonderful, we are able to form like wonder, for, won. Such type of exercises are coming in your PT2 syllabus. So just prepare it well, stay safe, stay healthy, and learn all the work by your heart. Thank you.